What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a comparison between Tailscale versus Zerotier best network solution. Both Tailscale and Zerotier lets you create secure private networks over the internet, but they work a bit differently and each has strengths. Let's start with Tailscale. It's a VPN-like mesh network built on top of WireGuard that makes your devices connect securely to each other. It uses a modern WireGuard encryption, connects devices directly peer-to-peer, doesn't store traffic, only coordination data, and it's very strong security with minimal configuration. Just install app on device, log in with your Google, Microsoft or Apple account, and devices automatically join your secure network. You can also define complex network rules, custom routes and permissions, and bridge networks together. It is great for advanced networking. Tailscale has a free plan with limited devices and features. Paid plans unlock bigger networks like SSO and advanced ACIs. Now moving on to Zerotier, which is an open-source virtual networking platform that routes traffic between devices in a flexible software-defined network. It uses its own custom protocol and offers encrypted links between nodes. It gives you more control over network topology and also secure but less standardized than WireGuard. The winner for security, of course, is Tailscale in that. All you have to do is install the Zerotier app, create a network on Zerotier portal, and add devices using network ID. Configure routing if needed, and slightly more steps, but still straightforward. It's simpler, less control over detailed rules, built-in ACLs like access control lists, but not that flexible. It's easy but less customizable. Both tools punch through NAT and make direct connections between devices and use relays only if needed, because both work well behind firewalls and in restrictive networks. They support Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, Android, and some routers. So, use Tailscale if you want super easy setup, you don't want to deal with network configs, you want secure connections without learning networking, and you prefer WireGuard standards. Or use Zerotier if you need advanced network control, you want custom routing segmentation, and you're comfortable with some networking config. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this comparison, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.